we have just finished the second coat of white, and I put these tires back on over here, and second coat on these. These will need another coat in the rims because there's some rust spots. You can see here they're pretty deep. Pulled this side off, masked off my cap, my cab. Got second coat on. My third coat, I'm gonna use a hardener, and I'll explain that next time. But it's an enamel hardener. It delays the dry time. Oh, thought I was leaking there. Yeah, this is on Amazon. It's like 10 bucks. It has a half-hour wait time to mix chemical reaction with the enamel. Yeah, this is my little paint station. I didn't really show this, but this enamel you thin with mineral spirits, and the Rust-Oleum I use for the cab you thin with acetone. And I use strainers, and I'll do like a 5 to 10%. I kind of just do it by eye, thinning on that. And this is a Harbor Freight paint gun. It's actually doing really well. I'll clean it up at the end. I usually just let it go to the end of the project. Obviously the inside gets cleaned out each time. I flush it with mineral spirits 3 times, wipe it out, and then blow mineral spirits through the tip. That's how I clean it every night, or between colors. It takes some time, but it's worth it. The results are great. Using the tinfoil trick again I was showing you to protect my cylinders and some other parts that should not be painted white. I still have to change these bushings on here. It's gonna be a rush on that. All the weld patches on this thing. This thing will still outlast my lifetime. But yeah, I want to give you another update. Trying to do a little update over every paint pass. I missed a spot right there, you can see it. So, third coat to cover everything, should be good to go. Then we'll put it all back together, do touch-up paint. I bought some new glass, plexiglass for the windows. We will cut that out. And I've already painted these guys black, some of the small components. Yeah, that's about it. It is now midnight. I'm 4 hours into this for the night, and it is time to call it quits. I'll see you guys on the next round of paint.
You can't